Hello everyone, Andrew Fairlick, Financial Advisor with Macco Financial Group. In today's video, I just want to give you a quick overview of how to access our file uploader on our website, maccofinancial.com. This is something that we use commonly with clients and prospects to have them share, let's say, a 401k statement or Social Security statement to us securely. So I'm just going to show quickly where that is and how you can access that. So first thing we're going to do is obviously open up a browser and go to maccofinancial.com. And once we're there, the easiest way to find this is we actually have the file uploader listed in the top menu. So we're going to click on the file uploader. And from there we have a couple options. Just so we know who it's coming from, we ask for your name and email address, so I'll just put that in here. And then I'm going to attach a file. So in this instance, I'm just going to use just a sample file. And you have enough slots to do 6 of those files. And then we're going to actually submit this. And this is using a system that we use called FormStack, and it's secured through there. So once we submit, you'll just go to a confirmation screen as long as everything went through, and you should be able to go. If you have more than 6 files, you can always just go back and complete that same process, and we get a notification when that comes through, and then we will have those documents and be able to review them. So once again, if you have any other questions on how to use this tool or any other of our resources, please reach out. The number is 920-617-6830. If you have any tech specific questions, you can always email me, Andrew at maccofinancial.com. Thanks so much.